الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم ملك يوم الدين إياك نستعين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين وبعد. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
MashaAllah. Everybody is so anxious, MashaAllah. May Allah accept our fasting for us.
Amen.
And all our ibadat.
Amen.
All the good things that you have done and you are still doing it. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless all of us. And our shortcomings, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive us.
Amen.
Well, brothers and sisters, you know when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created Adam alayhi salam, when he was formed and was put as a clay, what was the first thing given to Adam alayhi salam? Yes, what was the first thing that was given to him when he was formed and so forth and was just lying down in the form of a clay? The breath. Yes. The life. The breath of life was blown into him. That was the first thing, isn't it? Good. And then after, what happened to him? What was given to him after that? So when he got the life, he was able to what? To stand and function. Okay. That time, where was he? Where was Adam alayhi salam? In Jannah. That means in the garden, isn't it?
Yes.
Good. He was in the garden. When you are in the garden, what are you supposed to do in the garden? Yes? You just live. You have to work. Isn't it? Yes. If you are in the garden, you are in charge of a garden, you have to work. Isn't it? Good. Then after what was given to him? After that, what was given to him? No, after the breath of life, he was put in charge of what? He was where? In the garden, isn't it? Good. And the third one was what? What was given to him? Huh? A wife. Good. MashaAllah. It means that the first and the most important thing, he was in the presence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Isn't it? He was in the presence of Allah. So everything that you have to do in this world is something that will bring us closer to Allah. That is our priority. So by that time, Adam alayhi salam, was he thinking about wife?
No.
Huh? Did he think about wife?
No.
No, he didn't think about wife. And then after, the wife came in, isn't it? So in the presence of Allah, after he had got the breath of life, then he was in the presence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He was able to function, so he was be in the garden. That is, if you're in garden, you have to have a job, isn't it, to do? And after he became very what? Lonely, isn't it? Good. So he was thinking about something. Maybe you have to get a partner or something like this, isn't it? Then a partner was given to him. The partner was given to him. So here you have to cultivate. You have to bring your wife how it's supposed to be. Isn't it? Much more closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It seems we are now going to have our iftar inshallah ta'ala And you pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless each and every one of us. And may Allah accept it for all of us. And don't forget, the school will be 327, inshallah.